Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make pikliz. It's pretty much pickled cabbage. It's a pickled vegetable, not like those other pickled vegetables. That's our Haitian pickled vegetables. Anyways, so let's go ahead and get started. So I am using shallots, half of a cabbage, quarter of that red bell pepper, I had actually used two of that small onion, but use a large one, quarter of the green bell pepper, 3 small carrots or a large carrot, and lime, salt, all-purpose chicken seasoning, gotta have some flavor, gotta be tasty, of course, vinegar. You can't make pickles without vinegar. And I am using my pepper paste instead of fresh pepper, but feel used to use fresh pepper. That's how they usually make it. So I have the pepper paste, so I use that instead of that I made myself. It's pretty spicy. It's very spicy, but feel free to use the fresh scotch bonnet pepper or habanero or even ghost pepper. So I'm using my box grater. I am using this side. You may go ahead and use a knife to shred it. I don't know how you can shred it with a knife, but I am using the box grater to shred it, so that way it's not too thick. It's small enough. I don't like it too big pieces. Some people use a knife. Oh, look at my boobs. Anyways, feel free to just chop it up with a knife. If you have great knife skills, just chop it off with a knife. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to if you enjoyed this video right now, go ahead and subscribe. So this is what it looks like. It's very thin. It's not too big, which this is how I like it personally. But if you like the vegetable to be a little bit thicker, go ahead and use a knife instead. If you have great knife skills too, go ahead and do that. So once you've shredded your cabbage, go ahead and transfer it to a large bowl that you're going to be using to mix all the vegetables. See, I love this size. Anyways, after you've transferred the cabbage to the bowl, we're gonna go ahead and start shredding the carrots. I'm also using the same side of the box grater to shred my carrots, so it could be that same size. The carrot and the cabbage are going to be the same size. So once you've shredded your carrots, go ahead and transfer it to the bowl. So my carrots are perfectly shredded, perfect size for me. I love it like that. Once you've shredded your carrots and your cabbage, you go ahead and transfer to the bowl, and we're gonna go ahead and start cutting the peppers and onions. So we're gonna cut the pepper and onion pretty thin as you can. I don't like it to be too big. Only the peppers and onion though. Anyways, this thin, like that. Slice all your peppers and onions, and then go ahead and transfer it to the bowl. So now that we're done with all the heavy work, all the cutting and crying, ooh, I hate cutting onions. We're gonna go ahead and add our vinegar. 1 cup of vinegar. I use distilled vinegar, white vinegar. Do not use apple cider. I've never used it, so I would not trust it. And 1/4 cup of sour orange juice. If you can't find sour orange juice, I guess it's fine to just use vinegar and lime. I think that would be just fine. I am adding 1 teaspoon of this all-purpose chicken seasoning that I use in all my dishes. Honestly, I use it in everything because it's bomb. I am adding a tablespoon of salt. I couldn't find my tablespoon, so I am using the 1/2 teaspoon. So yeah, and it was a tablespoon. But don't measure your ingredients over the food like that. Don't do it. I also added 1 teaspoon of this chicken Maggie bouillon cube powder. Excuse me, I'm so used to the cube, but yes, I added 1 teaspoon of that. And then, like I said before, I am using my pepper paste that I made myself, my hot pepper, because I have it at home. I didn't want to buy fresh scotch bonnet pepper, but feel free to, I mean, obviously, if you don't have pepper paste like that, just use fresh scotch bonnet pepper or habanero pepper or ghost peppers. Just make sure you add peppers according to your level of spice. If you love it spicy, then go ahead, add as much peppers as you want. If you don't like it too spicy, so just go ahead, add half or a whole one. So I added 1 lime juice, a whole lime juice, excuse me. This lime has a lot of juice, so it was probably about 2-3 tablespoons of lime juice. So once you do that, go ahead and mix everything. Just keep mixing it, stirring it, and of course taste it. It tasted so bomb. It's the perfect spice for me. My pepper paste, I added 4 tablespoons of it. I do like spicy. I love spicy. I'm a spicy Pisces. But anyway, this is the final product, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you do, let me know. And of course, as always, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a very spicy day. Thank you.